Hey, hello there, my name is Yurii and this is my wonderful son Simeon, and today we're gonna rest by doing pancakes. So let's jump right in. Let's take just a deep bowl, milk and flour. Then add some flour. Okay, let's stir it now. Yeah. Let's do it together, come on, help me. So we're just making wonderful dough. Come on, Simon, stir it. Let's add some oil. So Simon trying already. Great, you're doing great, man. So just let's start to cook.
Cup.
Come on. Thank you. Hop. Hop. I think it's already ready, right? Let's put it here. Up. So I think it's amazing to do something with your son, do some activities together. It's really important. It's really important to spend time together, and I really enjoy it. Any activities we're doing together. Oh, look, such a progress. We're making already just beautiful pancakes. Okay, come on, put it there. Okay, it's hot. Hot. Hot pancakes. You take a part of it, okay? Yeah. So you see how it's beautiful already. Pancake. Okay, Simon. More pancake. It's already 3.
More pancake.
Hot. No, it's not necessary to add a less of oil. Up. More pancakes. There are some ways in therapy, like animal healing or I don't know, something else, and this is pancakes healing. It's special for you. Oops. So we made all these pancakes with my son Simon. Amazing. I love it. One try. Okay. So it's amazing pancakes, wonderful activity. See you next time on our channel. Bye bye.